How to buy Dorsin World token. So this token came under the symbol of Dorsin. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in on crypto with this referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token it's on the pre-sale right now. So if you click on their official website, as you can see, you'll be able to land to this page. So what you need to do to be able to buy this token on the pre-sale, now just click on connect your wallet. Now if you don't find your wallet here, click on view all. So as you can see, there is a plenty of wallets, as you can see. So if you don't find your wallet here, just hit the search and type your wallet name. So after you type it, now just click on it. And as you can see, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera or inside Bitget wallet app. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, as you can see here, just type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. Now click on buy Dorsin. So as you can see, you need to connect your wallet. So after that, the pop-up will be appear from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a Dorsin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.